Now we're going to show you how to use the control panel in our Swift Kon Tiki model. Turn the control panel on by simply pressing this button here. You have your water pump. By pressing this one, that will pump the water around your pipe so you can use the taps, the shower and your toilet flush. You have a light, which is for your awning light outside. You have your lighting, which is your different lights around the motorhome. If you press the home button, that will go back. You have your power, which is if you are on your leisure battery, your solar panels and what wattage your vehicle battery is. You have your water. This one is your water levels. You have got your fresh water and your wastewater. You can empty your fresh water in your wastewater tank via this control panel by simply pressing which one you want, and then you can also empty the wastewater by clicking the wastewater. If you press the heating, you can see what your control panel is set at for heating up your motorhome. That is how you use the main control panel in our Swift Kon Tiki models.